Hello everyone, welcome back to our lawn transformation series. This is video number 3. If you haven't seen our previous videos, make sure to check those out. Let's get into it. Welcome back. So, last video we took our soil test results and found out that our pH was low. We applied our neutral lime to help correct that. Then we moved on to applying a soil amendment. We chose humic DG to help prep the soil for fertilization. Today we will be leveling out some low points throughout the lawn with topsoil to create an even surface. We will then be applying AllinOne organic lawn repair to those bare spots to help new grass grow in those areas. We will then be applying PGF 1608 to the rest of the yard. We will be fertilizing with PGF 1608 because our soil test results came back that our nitrogen and potassium is low. Now let's get started with filling in our low spots. All we're doing here is taking topsoil and raking it over the bare spots to make it an even level surface. Now we are applying the AllinOne in these freshly filled in low spots. AllinOne has 4 key ingredients that will help fill in our bare spots within 2 weeks or less with proper care. The seed included in the AllinOne patch repair is a mix between fescue, Kentucky bluegrass, and perennial rye. It also includes 2 soil amendments, humic DG and biochar DG, to help create ideal growing conditions. The carotenoids in the biochar also help speed up seed germination. Now we are just applying our PGF 1608 fertilizer, which is a phosphorus-free fertilizer that also contains humic DG. What's so nice about this fertilizer is that it has a small particle size, which helps even distribution and twice the coverage per square inch. This fertilizer also has Mutech slow-release nitrogen, as well as quick-release nitrogen for extended and immediate feeding. Because this fertilizer has DG technology, it disperses quickly and completely when watered in and provides even coverage. Well, that's all from us today. As you can see, the lawn has already made tremendous progress, and we are excited to see where it will end up. To follow our progress, make sure to catch us in the next video. And as always, for more tips and tricks and to shop our products, visit AndersonsHomeandGarden.com.